In this video, you'll learn how to create an eBay seller account in the UK. By following these steps, you will successfully set up your account and be ready to start selling on the platform. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to ebay.co.uk. Once the homepage loads, locate and click the register button, typically found at the top left corner of the page. This action will take you to the registration form where you will enter your email address, full name, and create a secure password. Make sure to select United Kingdom as your country from the drop-down menu provided. After filling in your details, proceed by clicking the Continue button. You will receive an email from eBay to verify your email address. Open your email inbox, find the verification email, and click on the link provided within it. This step is crucial as it confirms your email and allows you to continue with the registration process. Next, you will need to activate your selling option in the Seller Hub. To do this, log in to your eBay account and navigate to the Seller Hub. You can find this option in the top menu. Once inside the Seller Hub, follow the prompts to provide your identity verification details. This may include personal information such as your address and date of birth. You will also need to link a UK bank account to facilitate transactions. Ensure that you have your bank details handy for this step. Following the linking of your bank account, eBay will require you to confirm your phone number for verification. You will receive a text message with a verification code that you need to enter on the eBay site. This step enhances the security of your account and is a standard procedure for new sellers. Now that your account is set up for selling, it's important to set your shipping preferences. Within the Seller Hub, locate the shipping settings and specify your shipping options within the UK. Review the seller policies carefully to ensure you understand the terms and requirements for selling on eBay. When you are ready, create your first listing, ensuring that it is professional and appealing to potential buyers. Lastly, monitor your performance metrics regularly to gauge your sales and make necessary adjustments. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.